Well, that's a bit of a shock and that's a bit of a surprise. Hi everyone, welcome to dubventures and welcome to another video. Now if you've seen last week's video, you'll see that we're staying on a campsite at the moment, but it's got this amazing facilities where we can sort of like relax. We've got a kitchen area, seating area and things, and if I just quickly take you in here, what have we got in here, Scott?
A games room.
We have a games room. Yes, this is part of a campsite. It's got a relaxing area, some exercise equipment, all this, and you know, I mean, pool table,
Air hockey.
air hockey, and this isn't like, oh, this is here, you know, if you pay like £5, £10, you know, you can go. This is included in the price of the campsite, so you come and see here. This is all part of it, so I do suggest that you check out last week's video. So today, the weather is horrendous. Now, there is a lot of places that we want to go, a lot of exploring that we want to do, but because we've decided we're staying here for an extra day, it just gives us a chance to be able to sort of like relax, chill out, and just spend some time together and catch up on things and that. So what we're going to do today is I feel we've got some challenges and things, you know, some games and stuff, and so stick around for today's video because we're not going to be doing much exploring. We're going to have to like hype it up. We're going to have to do some mad challenges. I feel like maybe like girls and boys team thing going on, mixed teams going on, like you'll have a bit of a sort of like an Olympics of like
Hustling.
games and bit of hustling.
There's going to be some hustling on this.
Oh yeah, and this, do you know what? Me and you, yesterday, we was on this for hours, I mean, fantastic. So,
I highly recommend it.
yeah, this campsite's amazing, really, really do like it. So, what we're going to do now, we're going to have some breakfast. You can probably just hear the rain is like chucking it down. We're just going to have some breakfast. We'll catch up with you soon. Right, so me and Scott have just been having a break from playing our games in here and stuff, and it's like, oh, where's Brooke and that gone? Ah, they're on the pool. They're on the pool. So, not on the pool, on the
Not
pool.
too close, not
On the
too
pool.
close.
Oh, I know. Right, Scott, what are we on now then?
Air hockey.
Air hockey, want some air hockey? Let's do it, let's do it.
Got what repeated yesterday.
Spend much time at the fairground when you were younger or something?
No.
Yeah?
You can tell, as you can tell.
There we go. I'm filming this, Scott, I'm filming it. Oh, 4 out of 4. Can he go for the 5? He can!
Oi!
Tell you what, it's so much fun like playing these games in here, and it's like not done stuff like that since being a kid, and it's just amazing. And I'm going to go back in there, we're going to go and play pool with Scott in a minute, but I just thought I'd give you a quick tour while we're here. So as you can see, like, we're relaxing. So we've got the vans parked out there, I'll show you that in a little bit, and obviously the camping pitches are like here, but it's just let's see at the moment. So anyway, got like a nice little
And the
relaxed
reason why we
area
are
here.
chilling out today is because the weather is like
Yeah,
that.
no, I've already said. So yeah, so this area here, we've got obviously like a little chiller area, TV over here. So I'll just take you into the kitchen area. We've got a heater here. Got the kitchen area with obviously the stools coming around it. We've got full cooking facilities. We've brought our gas cooker in because we've been cooking like quite a lot, because obviously there's a few of us. Got all things on there, got a cooker there, got a fridge, sink and everything. Another lounge area here where you can obviously chill out. And then through here, again, amazing views out there. What I'll do is, I'll just take you in the toilet and shower. Let's have a quick nose in here. Let's see, got a full shower, toilet facilities, got the sink and everything. So, come out of here. And then we've got another toilet in here. You know what I mean? It's like just such a fantastic like little place, and that heater really heats this place up well.
I think they need to see outside.
Eh?
I think they need to see outside.
You need to see outside. Come on, let's go outside. Let's do this. So, right. Oh, it's so cold. It might be a bit windy. So that's where we're parked. Also, we're parked over here. Like I said, this is like the camping area, but because it's only us here, we parked there because obviously we're chilling out in here. Got a nice chill out section here. But yeah, check that out. Nice view over there. Got fire pits and everything, so obviously in summer and things, you know, you can obviously have your barbecues and things, amazing views. They do have glamping pods and things, but I did show that in another video, so the store. So, let's get back in here. It is cold, I tell you. It is so icy cold out there. Ooh, cold out there, isn't it? So there's a quick view. So if you've not seen any of the other videos, I will just quickly show you in here. There's Scott playing some pool. That's what I'm going to do. Come on, Thor. Come on then. Thor's coming in. He's been playing in here as well. So, are you winning?
Yeah, I'm beating the other one.
Are you beating the other one? That's good. So, and as you've seen, we've got all the games in here. So, right, there you go. There's a quick tour. I'm going to play some pool now with Scott. So, let's do this. So guys, it's that time now. It's challenge time. We've just been sort of speaking about like the games that we're going to play. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to play 2 games of pool. We're going to have 10 throws each on the basketball. We're going to play first to 10 on the football game. The teams that is Brooke and Scott, and then it's me and Anna who's just out there. She's warming up. She's warming up. So now here's the thing. We've done it as a challenge. Now the winning team tonight is going to get sort of like looked after, because the team that doesn't win, they are cooking all the food tonight and cleaning. Seen all this, they're like warming up and everything and all that. You're just like getting your hands warm. So, right, everybody, what are we on first?
Hoops.
Hoops. Right. 10 shots each. Best score wins. Right, so 10 shots each, yeah? Let's go. Come on, Anna. Come on. That's one. Right, we've just worked that out. Anna got 5. No, you got 4. You got 4. Right. Me and you now, Scott. Me and you now, Scott. So I'll give Brit the camera.
That was quick. Right.
You cheated, Hannah.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Right, so you've won that one. Next game. So we've just worked out the scores out there, and we've all kind of like, it's a draw,
5-4,
basically.
5-4, 5-4.
So it's 1-all.
So it's 1-all. So right, next game. What are we on next?
Pool.
Pool. Right. Let's do. Foul. We said Brooke, what? Fast, she's like that. Proper game face.